Ateneo alumni. You know me. But what you don't know about me is that I am an Ateneo alumnus. And I got my Ateneo degree, MBA, Masters in Business Administration, the hard way. It took me 20 years as a working student to get that degree in 1980. And I'm proud to be a member of this great family called the alumni of the Ateneo de Manila University. Ang dami natin, there's so many of us from all disciplines, from all colleges and institutes and schools, as well as separate universities around the Philippines and also in the US. And so, I extend to you our warm, cordial invitation for everyone here in North America to join in our grand reunion on the 2nd to the 6th of June, year 2010. This grand convention of Ateneo graduates, alumni, families, fans, and admirers will be held at the Loyola Marymount University in Los Angeles, California. I hope you know where California is. Especially you guys from Canada, you better be there also. And you guys from the East Coast. All of North America should be represented by your Ateneo de Manila University chapter. You got it? Kaya ba natin ito? Yes, we can. Okay. And who will be there besides the alumni themselves? Oh, wow. The incumbent and previous presidents of the various Ateneo de Manila universities in Naga, in Cagayan de Oro, in Zamboanga, and elsewhere. But it makes no difference what university you graduated from as long as it is Ateneo. The Blue Eagles, come on guys, we're champions, not only in basketball, not only in golf, but also in education and leadership. Be proud to be a member of the Blue Eagles Ateneo fraternity. Be there on the 2nd to 6th of June, year 2010, in the Loyola Marymount University in LA, Los Angeles, or Los Angeles, as we say here to the Philippines. You got it? Kaya ba natin to? Yes, we can. May golf pa. So, bring your shoes, bring your gloves, and bring your balls. Okay? It will be a grand, fun-filled reunion. Be there.